Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Instagram link to your Facebook. Remember, the Instagram link that you want to add to your Facebook, it will be visible on your profile. Now first you have to copy the link, your profile link, from your Instagram account. For that you will find a profile icon at the bottom right corner. Simply click on it, and from here you just need to click on share profile. You'll find this button at the profile. Now you'll find a QR code that can be used to get to you or get your profile on Instagram. Now here you'll find the copy link. Copy the link from here and then go to Facebook, and from here you can find the home page from here, but you have to go to profile. You can use this button, this bottom middle button, to access your profile, or you can also click on this hamburger button at the bottom right corner. Then from here you will find this type of interface, and your profile will be at top. Simply click on it and you will find edit profile button. Simply click on it and scroll down, and from here you will find links. Now if you don't have any links added to your Facebook account yet, then you will find a add button, and if you have added any links to your Facebook account, then you will find a edit button. Both will work for you to edit the links, add or remove the links on this links section. Now simply click on add. Now just because of Instagram is a social links, so you have to go with social links. Now you have to click on add social links. Now you have to select the platform. Now click on this drop down button, and from here you'll find Instagram. Simply click on it. After setting the social media, you just need to enter the username. You can go with your username, or you can also paste your profile link here, or you can also get your username and paste it here, and they will get the information about your Instagram profile and username, so they can get to you. After that you also can set the visibility here. After clicking anywhere or in the done clipboard, there is a done button. Simply click on done to save this link to your profile, and through this link people can get to your Instagram profile. Also you can set the visibility of this link, who can see your this link that you have added, Instagram link, to your profile. Just click on this button, and from here you can set it as public, as friends. If you want that only your friends can see your Instagram profile link, then you can set this to friends. And if you want to set it as private, then you can go with only me. This option will help you to hide this link from your profile from everyone on the Facebook, but it will only visible to only you. That's how you can add your Instagram link to Facebook. But don't forget to click on save button here. Now it will save the link, the Instagram profile link, to your profile. When you click on it, and you will find the link has just added. Also if you want to add a username, then simply click on it. Now simply I'm going to select all here, then click on it, and from here I'm going to set a random something. Now here you can see it has just added as my username, and people can use this username to search my Instagram profile and get to me through Instagram. That's how you can add Instagram link to Facebook. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.